our markers. Hold them up. Please down. Thank you. Okay, it's not drawing time, remember? It's math time. We are going to start with a challenge. We've had a good morning. Our brains are warmed up. I think we can do it. What's going to happen with the challenge? What happens to our brains?
Brain grows.
Who does? What are our habits? Every time. Can you all say it together? 1, 2, 3.
Brain grows.
Okay, here's our brain growth. Woo! I want to count by 25s.
What's that mean?
We're going to count by 20. You know how we count by 2s? And we count by 10s?
Yes.
We're going to count by 25s. So, let's see. It looks like we start here? Let's start it maybe here. So, what's our first number? Okay, 0. What's our second number? Think about it, don't say it. Think about it. What's our second number? Tell your partner.
2.
We're counting by 25s. So what's our second number? Who can tell me? Debbie?
1.
Our second number is 1. We're counting by 25s. Debbie, ask someone.
2.
Our next number is 2. Raise your hand if you think it's 2. Okay, Tiana, ask somebody.
25.
Raise your hand if you think our next number is 25. Uh-oh. See some disagreement. We're counting by 25s. So that means every 25, we place a yellow spot. Do you want to start by counting by 2s?
Yes.
All right, let's count by 2s. So we go 0.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Stop. So when we count by 2s, it's every 2, right? Let's practice counting by 10s. We're going to start at 0 again, okay? 1, 2, 3.
0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Stop. Now the challenge.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
0,
Tell your partner.
3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2, 3.
When we count by 2s, it goes 0. What's the next number? Who can tell me? What's the next number? Hugo? 2. When we count by 10s, we go 0. What's the next number? Anna? 10. So when we count by 25s, we go 0. And what's the next number? Inez? We're counting by 25s. So the next number is 10. No. We go 0. What's the next number, Evan?
25.
Is it 0, 25?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's count by 25. Here we go. 0.
25.
I'll tell you the next one. Do you want to know it?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Do you think you can do it?
Yes. Yes. I can do it.
Tell your partner what it is.
You're not my partner. Hey. 45. 45.
I heard some people say 45. I heard some people say 55. So I have an idea. We're gonna count by 25s. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk on the first number and talk on the 25s numbers, but we're going to whisper in between to help us count, okay? Ready? So if it's not a 25 number, do you talk or do you whisper? Okay, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
1, 2, 3. 0. 1, but keep going, okay? So when you hit the next time you say 25, you're gonna say the number, okay? Ready? This is 1. 20 or 25?
25.
This is 25?
No.
I think we're confused. Should we start again? That's okay. I like starting again. Ready, Colin? Let's start at 1. Ready? That was 25.
Yes.
Do you want to try it again? Do you feel your brain growing? I feel my brain growing because it's a challenge, isn't it?
Is it a challenge for you?
Super challenge. Yep. Here we go.
Actually, I knew that.
Ready? We're going to count to 25 again and you try to say the number, okay?
I just knew it.
What's the number? Let's say the number 1, 2, 3.
75.
Do you want to try one more time? I think you're getting better with practice. Ready? We're going to keep counting. Good idea. Why don't we guess what it is? Tell your partner. What do you think it's going to be? Okay, ready? Time to count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's 100. So, we're going to pretend that 100 has a yellow space. How many 25s are there in 100? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just 4?
Just different shapes.
Wow.
We just found out there are 4 25s in 100, right? James, how many 25s are there in 100? Not 3, close. There are 4. 25, 50, 75, 100. Okay?
Okay.
So now let's find out how many, what's this shape, do you know?
Triangle.
Oh, what's this shape?
Hexagon.
That's a hexagon.
I heard that.
So we're going to find out how many triangles are in the hexagon.
What? How do you know that?
I sure can't do it on this paper. Can you do it on this paper?
Yeah.
I think it's really hard, but don't worry. Okay, how many hexagons do I have? Tiana, how many hexagons do I have? Good, all right. Let's put the triangles in the hexagon. Is that right? I can do it like that, right? There are 2 triangles in the hexagon. Hugo, you say no. Hugo, can you help? Oh! I can fit more in like this? Oh, I can fit more? Do you see, are there 2 little triangles left? Let's count the triangles. 1, 2, 3. All right, 6 triangles. So here, what number do you write? Great. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these to do. Okay? And there's something else that we can do with geometry. Geometry is when we study shapes. Okay. Have you played with this before? Okay, well I haven't. Okay, we're gonna help me. Oh, I'm not gonna use that side. We're gonna help me. I want to make a triangle with 3 on one side. Okay? So I think I want to do like 1, 2, 3, and now I need a triangle. Wait, what about that? Is that a triangle? Okay, let's talk about a triangle. How many corners does a triangle have? 3. Let's count our corners.
1, 2, 3.
Do you see 3 corners? How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
Let's count our sides.
1, 2, 3.
Is it a triangle?
Yes.
Okay. It's a triangle because it has 3 corners and 3 sides. Let me try a different place. Is that a triangle?
Yes.
Let's count our corners. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
How many corners does it have?
3.
Let's count our sides.
1, 2, 3.
How many sides does it have?
3.
Is it a triangle?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Is that a triangle?
Yes. It's more back. It looks like a pizza.
Is that a triangle? Is that a triangle? Wow, it seems like you know try this one. 1, 2, 3.
Make a triangle that touches six center. Copy your triangle below.
Wow, I heard a lot of us reading, but can I hear everyone reading? James, can you read with us? Colin, did you read it? Yeah? Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3.
Make a triangle that touches six center. Copy your triangle below.
It says make a triangle that touches 6 pins. Copy your triangle below. Okay, so 6 pins. How many pins does my square touch? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so I need a triangle that touches 6 pins. Oh, I think I got it.
No.
Look, I just had this square. Wait.
You just have that square.
So I just had the square, and when I moved the rubber band, I think I saw my 6-pin triangle. Let's see if you can find it.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, no, there, yes.
Did you find it?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
All right, let's count our pins and see if we did it. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes or no?
Yeah!
All right, so now I can draw it in here, okay? Should I show you how to draw it? Can you see the triangle?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we go, it's right here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? Oh, you can't see it. It was a little bit of a challenge for me to count the pins. So I think I'm gonna write numbers next to it just to make sure. Is that a good idea? Okay, so I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, you did it.
Are you sure now?
Yeah.
Me too. Okay, so this is the second page you're going to do. And when you're done, you can do fact triangles, and I'll tell you which page, okay? So you're going to do these 2 pages, and maybe we'll get to the fact triangles. I'm going to put you in stations. Okay?
I knew it.
So the first station can do this page, and the second station can do this page, and then we can trade stations. Okay? Let's see. We were going to, but we had a challenge with 25. So we didn't get to the slate thing because we were doing the challenge. But it was a really good challenge, wasn't it?
Yeah, I don't even know.
Okay, station 1 is, oh my goodness. Darcy and your partner, can you go to your seats? You'll be at station 1, okay? Put away your slates. Also at station 1 is Hugo and your partner. You may sit at their table. Also at station 1 is Udaisri and your partner.